of a vulnerable adult. Daramy told detectives she met the 81-year-old man at a giant grocery store, and it was love at first sight. But police say over the course of 3 days, Daramy had the man transfer more than $52,000 to her bank account, her cousin's bank account, rather. She could face up to 55 years in prison. And Redskins superfan Chief Z will be laid to rest Wednesday. A funeral service takes place at 11 a.m. at Glen Arden First Baptist Church in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. There will be a viewing before the service from 9 to 11 a.m. And 75-year-old Zemo Williams died last week. He was a veteran and Redskins superfan who was a staple at nearly every Redskins game for the past 16 years.
Today is a yellow weather alert day. Now, here's WUSA 9's first alert weather.
Tomorrow's going to be a tough one.
Yeah.
How are we going to get through?
We're going to take it easy. We're going to stay hydrated. We're going to try to stay inside as much as we can.
Got my water right here, as much as we can do.
Avoid the heat and the alcohol. The caffeine will also dehydrate you, so limit that or just curtail it for a day or so.
And light colored clothing.
Yes.
All that good stuff. All the tips. Take care of all those tomorrow.
And I put a story out on the WSA 9 webpage and the app that you can read all about it. Hey, weather-wise, let's talk 3-degree guarantee time, because we forecast a high today of 98 degrees, which is what it was Saturday. Today we stopped just shy of that by 1, but still in there. 59 of the last 61. Heat advisories are in effect tomorrow starting at noon, but I'll tell you, it's going to feel hot as early as 9 a.m. I mean, it is going to heat up some kind of quick tomorrow. And tomorrow will be, I think, the hottest of this stretch of really hot weather, with a slow trend down. 105 to 110 on those heat index values tomorrow. So this is some serious stuff. Just a few afternoon storms, and rain chances look to be a little bit higher as the week wears on, and that means temperatures will start to drop off. And you can see our heat wave peaks tomorrow with a heat index topping out around 109, down to 103 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe with some luck that heat index stays below 100 by the end of the week. A couple of showers came through. I had some thunderstorms early, even one warning for a little while. Right now, we're watching this batch of moisture head toward Annapolis. The bay is warm. It is steamy out there tonight, so that's helping to feed that. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing gets a little stronger once it heads over toward the Chesapeake. But we're seeing some showers just across Bowie, almost toward Woodmore. This is all moving off to the east-southeast at about 25 miles an hour. Heavier shower right over Falls Church, and this is moving off toward the east. So, hey, Pentagon, Arlington, maybe Reagan National will see that, and a little bit farther south, just south of Burke here in toward Fairfax County, a little shower trying to head over toward Newington. Dew points, they were lower relatively speaking, down in the low to mid 60s earlier today. They've come up into the 70s to even near 80 right now. So this is some really steamy tropical stuff. Very tough to be outside. And if you don't have AC, you got to find a place to cool down, because these warm nights don't allow your body to recover from the hot days. 86 at the moment in town, also on the bay, 77 in Winchester and in Frederick. And when you factor in the humidity, we got heat index right now of 100 in Annapolis and 93 in D.C. Capitol Wheel looking pretty good there, National Harbor and our Michelson weather camera, with that heat index still at 93, and there's that just sticky, gross dew point in the low 70s. So we're looking at a couple of showers here and there overnight. Tomorrow starts out dry, but in the afternoon we'll see a few showers or storms trying to come through tomorrow evening as well. And I just want to show you how quickly things are going to heat up with the heat index. By 11 o'clock, most heat index values will already be above 100 degrees, topping out at 109 at 3 o'clock in the afternoon here in the district. It is going to be a very rough Monday with the heat. 72 to 80 tonight. Yeah, 80. We could have lows like this morning around 80 degrees with an isolated shower or storm. Light south winds. It is going to be rough. 72 to 94 even by lunchtime tomorrow. Hot by 9, 10 o'clock. More humid than today. The humidity's back. The muggies are back. 95 to 100 for your Monday. Haven't been 100 in 4 years. July 26, 2012. Isolated afternoon storms. Now, as we head toward Tuesday, we'll keep the yellow weather alert. Green for now on Wednesday. That might have to go yellow just for the heat again, with just isolated storms. As storm chances tick up as temperatures creep down closer to 90 as we head toward the end of the week and the weekend. So, yeah, could be 100 tomorrow. Haven't done that in a while, and hopefully we don't, but
if we do, we do. Yep, exactly. Ooh, tough though. Well, do you like lobster?
Yeah, who doesn't like lobster?
Well, one person doesn't. The lobster here. This still ahead tonight, the story of Larry the lobster.